we are going to see what is an abstraction and how abstraction is being used in Java. What are the different ways of doing abstraction in Java? Before that, first we will see what is an abstraction. Abstraction, generally what it means is hiding the implementation details and showing only the functionalities. We can consider a real-time example. So if we switch on TV report, if you click on the TV switch on button on the TV remote, TV gets switched on. So we, as a user, we don't know what is happening, what is technically happening inside the TV for getting the TV channels or for changing the TV channel. We know if we click on the on button, it will get TV gets on, and if you click on the off button, TV gets off. So here the technical details are getting hidden from the end user, from the layman. So this is also called as abstraction. In Java also, abstraction can be achieved in many ways. Many ways means basically two ways: abstract class and interface. Abstract class. Here I have put 0 to 100% because by using abstract class you can't assure that it's 100%. We are hiding the implementation for 100%. We can tell from 0 to 100% we can hide the implementation details, but in interface we are sure that 100% the implementation details are hidden. Because we will see more about interface in the upcoming videos. For now, we will just concentrate on abstract class. So I have already written an abstract class example program. See, it is very easy to define abstract class. You need to just put the abstract keyword before the abstract class keyword. Before class keyword. Once you have put abstract, then the class becomes abstract class. So inside that there are some rules that you need to follow for abstract class. You can have ordinary methods inside abstract class as like some ordinary class, but you can also put the abstract methods, public abstract void area. This abstract keyword means whenever if you put abstract keyword in a method, then it's telling the system that, telling the machine that it's just a declaration. You need to if suppose this class is being extended by some class, means this method needs to be overridden. If the class doesn't override this method, then the compiler will throw an error stating that this method needs to be overridden. Otherwise, because it's an abstract method like that. So here we have declared an abstract method. If we remove the semicolon and we put some braces, this is an ordinary method definition, but compiler will throw an abstract methods needs to have a body, because abstract methods can't have the definition. Abstract methods can have only declaration. So that's the reason why we need to put semicolon at the end of the method name, method declaration name. So here we can't define the method. If suppose here we have defined a SquareArea class. SquareArea class extends AbstractArea. Generally, whenever we extend some class, the methods in the public methods and protected methods in the parent class gets into the child class. So similarly, getWelcomeMessage gets into the SquareArea, and then a public abstract void area. Since it's an abstract method, we need to override the method in the child class. So if you remove this content, it will throw an error stating that SquareArea is not abstract, does not override abstract method. So we need to override the method. If you don't want to override this method, then what you need to do is you need to put this class as abstract. Then you can skip overriding the method. But our intention is not that. So we are overriding the method for area. And then what we have done is we have created a similar class for RectangleArea. So that class also overriding area method. And then what we have done is we have created two objects, SquareArea object and RectangleArea object. Using SquareArea object, we have displayed we have called the getWelcomeMessage and then area method. So what we does is it just calls respective methods for displaying our output. abstraction, if you don't like this implementation, this basic implementation or default implementation, you can override the default implementation of abstract class. Suppose if you copy and paste here, the IDE suggests you that you need to put override, and we have override, and you can write your own implementation or specific implementation. And if you run file now, here the specific are by skipping the parent implementation. So by overriding the methods, you can tell the machine that you need to use the child class implementation by overriding the default or parent class implementations. So this is all about abstract class. In the upcoming videos, we will see how to implement interface and how to declare interface